This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Whoa, guys, right here, we have the Renpho Smart Tape. This is a tape measure that's digital, but it's a smart digital tape measure. This thing connects to your phone via Bluetooth, so it stores all the information on your phone, so you can track your progress when you're measuring the same body parts over and over. Your neck, your bicep, your thighs, your leg, your chest, whatever it is. It will save your data on your phone, so you can track your progress. Boom! Smart body tape measure. Instruction manual. This is a tape measure right here. We got the battery included. So right back here, this is where you turn it to unlock. You see this arrow? So you turn it this way to unlock. Simply just use your hand and turn it. Just turn your hands like this. Unlock. Yeah, that's how you unlock it. Use the included battery. A CR2030 battery is included. The battery has been released. There's a little plus sign on the cap right there. Plus sign means positives on top. Positive on top right there. Put that sign on top right there. Put the cap back in here and lock it up. Solid. It locks up. We have the indicator right there. Go ahead and pull this. Look at that. You got the measurements already. Look at that. Measurement. And right now you're in straight line motion. The M button right here, this one changes from centimeter to inches. This one is power on, power off. This is the unlock right here. Here's the Renpho app right here on the phone. Downloading. Sign up right now. Fill out some information right here. It says I need to fill out name, birthday, height. Right now the app is installed. That is to measure weight and that's to measure circumference. Conference mode. It's connected. So this is my bicep right now. I just click this button and it will cinch down. So it measures my bicep right now. Right now, if I press the mode, it changes between inches and centimeters, right? I go to inches and I long press it. You'll see it will change to a circle right there. Now it's in circumference mode. Boom. That is my bicep measurement right there. On my phone, I just tap the bicep right there and boom, it saves it. It saves the measurement. You see right there, 12.46 inches. And right here, it shows on the phone already, 12.46 inches. The measurement is saved. That is the Renpho Smart Body Tape Measure right there. And it's measuring my bicep right now. So you can see right there, it's so easy to use. It works with a smartphone app. It's great, guys. There it is, guys. Using the Renpho Smart Body Tape Measure right there. I can measure so easy and it saves it on my iPhone. It saves it on my smartphone and it has records over time. It syncs with Bluetooth. This thing is awesome, guys. Love it. So simple. This chef thought about this a long time. Perfect for any athlete or anyone measuring their body for progress, for changes over time, especially if you're working out or you're going to changes. This thing will measure and save it for you. Renpho Smart Body Tape Measure right there.